In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use a standpipe system. Standpipes are useful in buildings like these, which are high-rise buildings, to get water to the floor on fire. So the purpose of the standpipe is to connect the engine company to the standpipe on the outside of the building. So in this case, we're going to grab the 6 lengths of attack line. Our standpipe is right here. They're usually red. With that, we can grab our connection of hose. It's a mess. Connect it to the truck and charge the line, and now we have water to the standpipe. From here, we grab one of our roll-up packs, which are these hose packs on the truck. And don't forget to grab a nozzle. You're going to need that. Alright, here we are on the 9th floor. Once you find the floor, you usually want to connect to the floor below the fire. So if the fire's on the 10th floor, this is a good place to connect. Once you're ready to connect, walk up to the pipe with your hose pack on your shoulder and press the T key. This will deploy the hose. Make sure you equip your nozzle. And there you go. You've got water on the fire floor. The more you know. Once you're ready to disconnect, just go back and press the T key again. And there you go. You've got your hose pack back. And you can head back down.